Hi, I'm Jill Dumasnell, Professor of Mathematics at UAS. This video is for people who may be considering taking one of my distance online math courses and have concerns about enrolling. Perhaps you've never taken an online math course before and don't know what to expect. Or you have taken an online math course and had a bad experience. Maybe you're wondering how you will get help when you need it, or you're afraid that I'm a mean, hard taskmaster. Here's what you can expect. My courses are asynchronous but instructor-paced. This means you won't have any required live meetings and can work at any time, but you will have due dates and deadlines to keep you on track. There will be short video lectures, 5 to 15 minutes, made by me using the same explanations and examples I use in face-to-face classes. You will have daily homework assignments that are mastery-based. This means you get unlimited chances to get it right, and you get 100% when you complete by the deadline at 11:59 p.m. The tests are online using the same program as the homework, and there's a test review center that provides review problems to practice based on what will be tested. If you've taken an online math course before and had a bad experience, know that I am determined to provide a positive experience and a high-quality course. Here's what one of my former students said about my courses. I truly appreciate Dr. Dumasnell's teaching videos, her excellent communication, and the math programs she uses. The Newton Alta software is a game changer. There are a lot of ways to get help when you need it. I've already mentioned the online instructional videos, but I will also provide links to textbook readings on the relevant topics. There are also explanations provided within each homework assignment that can be accessed with a click. And best of all, I'm available and eager to help. You can contact me by email or telephone, and we can meet via Zoom or even in person if the situation allows. Students have access to my Google appointment calendar and can easily schedule appointments with me by clicking on the available time slot. For more details, email me at jadumasnell@alaska.edu.